Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a review of Yasmall668.vip investment platform. You invest $10 every day and you do your daily task. The task-based platforms, and these tasks are determined by the amount you invest on this platform. So for $10 investment, you get $1.4 return every single day. And this is how you do your task. You click on the VIP you purchase, go to the task page, then you complete the task. This is what you do every 24 hours. Now you go to withdrawal page, and once you get your withdrawal page, you copy your TRC20 wallet address and you enter the amount you want to withdraw, the TRC20 wallet and your security password, and you initiate your withdrawal. Now after doing this, all you have to do is go straight to your wallet account. In my own case, I use Binance. So you initiate your withdrawal. After initiating the withdrawal, you go there and confirm if the funds actually got to your account. So in my own case, I use Binance, so I had to go into my Binance wallet address to check my balance. So I had to refresh several times before this thing was successful. However, guys, you guys need to be extremely careful when investing on platforms like these, because some of them are high risk investment platforms. So please be careful, do your research before investing. This is not an investment advice, it's just an update. You can say I got paid, this doesn't mean you'll also get paid, so be extremely careful. I love you so much, and this is your first time watching our videos. Please make sure to subscribe, share this video with your friends, comment if you have questions. I hope to see you again. Bye for now.